Hey everyone, welcome to Lingua TV. Today's show is all about putting our English skills to the test with some quirky questions.
And remember, viewers, you can play along. Drop your answers in the comments.
Let's get started. Taylor, you're up first. If you won the lottery, what would your life look like in 5 years?
Oh, easy. I'd be on my private island, teaching dolphins to sing opera. And of course, I'd build a giant library with a secret passage.
That's unexpected. Remember, folks, we're not just looking for answers, but how creatively and grammatically correct they are.
Bring it on.
Do you work to live or live to work?
Definitely work to live. I mean, I need money to buy those fancy cat toys. You know, the ones that look like UFOs.
Right. Next question, if you restarted your life from scratch, would you end up in the same place?
Absolutely. I couldn't miss out on my world-famous spaghetti incident. Changed my life.
The what now? Never mind. Moving on, what's something you do differently than anyone else?
I can type with my toes while juggling. Multitasking at its finest.
That's a talent, I guess. What's one part of your daily routine you'd be better off without?
Waking up before noon. I'm pretty sure I'm a vampire.
If you could have coffee with one person, dead or alive, who would it be?
My future self. I have so many questions, like, did you ever learn how to cook without burning water?
Intriguing choice. Now, do we control technology, or does it control us?
Oh, it definitely controls us. My phone knows more about me than I do. It even reminds me to water my plants, which I still forget.
Last one, how can a single moment have the power to change everything?
Like that time I accidentally joined a Zoom call in my superhero costume. Turns out, it was a job interview. Spoiler, I got the job.
That was quite the ride, Taylor. Thanks for those unique responses.
Anytime.
All right, Taylor, let's keep the ball rolling. If you could invent something, what would it be?
A teleportation device. Just think, no more traffic jams, and I could have lunch in Paris and dinner in Tokyo.
I'd join you for that. Next up, if you could be any fictional character for a day, who would you choose?
Easy. A wizard from Harry Potter. I'd finally find out if I could make my broom do the cleaning itself.
Speaking of magic, what's the most magical experience you've ever had?
Once, I tried to bake a cake and it didn't explode. That was pretty magical.
A true miracle. Now, imagine you're the lead in a movie. What's the plot?
It's a comedy where I accidentally become president. First order of business, national ice cream for breakfast day.
I'd vote for you. How about this, if you could switch lives with anyone for a day, who would it be?
My cat. I've always wondered what it's like to sleep all day and be worshipped.
Sounds perfect. What's the weirdest thing you've ever eaten?
Oh, I once had a sandwich with, wait for it, peanut butter and pickles. Don't knock it till you try it.
I think I'll pass. If you could live in any time period, when would it be?
The future. I want to see if flying cars are a thing yet.
Good choice. If you could eliminate one thing from your daily routine, what would it be?
Deciding what to wear. I need a wardrobe that just throws an outfit at me.
Technology, get on that. Now, if you had to describe yourself as an animal, which one would it be?
A panda. I'm cute. I love snacks, and I can be a bit clumsy.
Definitely cute. What's something you're terrible at but love to do anyway?
Singing. I sound like a cat in a washing machine, but it's fun.
What's the most unusual job you think you'd be good at?
Professional mattress tester. I'm an expert at sleeping.
A dream job indeed. If you could create a new holiday, what would it be?
Do nothing day. Everyone gets the day off to just chill.
I'm marking my calendar. What's the strangest gift you've ever received?
A rock. Just a plain old rock. They said it was sentimental.
Ah, the thought that counts? What's a skill you'd like to learn instantly?
Playing the guitar. I'd love to serenade my neighbors, whether they like it or not.
How kind of you. If you could have any superpower, what would you choose?
The ability to speak any language. Imagine the conversations.
And the misunderstandings. Last one, if you could bring one extinct animal back to life, what would it be?
A dodo bird. I feel like we'd get along.
So Taylor, if you could build a dream house, what would it look like?
Oh, it'd be a treehouse with an elevator. For my lazy days, you know?
High ambitions. How about this, if you could master any instrument instantly, which one?
The bagpipes. I'd play them every morning as my unconventional alarm clock.
Your neighbors will love you. If you had to wear one outfit for the rest of your life, what would it be?
A superhero cape with pajamas. Comfort meets style.
Fashion forward. What's one book you think everyone should read?
How to cook without setting off the fire alarm. I'm still looking for a copy for myself.
Sounds like a bestseller. If you could have dinner with any historical figure, who would it be?
Leonardo da Vinci. I'd ask him about his inventions and maybe get some painting tips.
Artistic. If you were stranded on a desert island, what 3 items would you bring?
A hammock, a never-ending snack supply, and a boat. You know, for when I get bored.
Practical. What's the most unusual hobby you'd like to try?
Competitive duck herding. I think I'd quack under pressure, though.
Quirky choice. If you could speak to animals, what's the first thing you'd ask?
I'd ask squirrels where they keep all their nuts. It's one of life's great mysteries.
Nutty question. What's the best piece of advice you've ever received?
Don't take life too seriously. You'll never get out alive. Works like a charm.
Wise words. That's all for today's show, folks. Remember, keep your questions creative and your answers more so.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Hit that subscribe button for more crazy QAmp sessions.
Hello, friends. I hope you enjoyed this conversation. If you want to improve your English, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with a friend. Support our channel by joining us or clicking the super thanks button would mean a lot. Thank you for your valuable support and take care.